Oh, here's an awesome question from Quora. How do musicians say names of brands in songs without infringing on trademarks or copyrights? My name is Andrei Answers. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and this is my answer to this question. This really boils down to what is a trademark infringement? What is a copyright infringement? So let's start with copyrights. Copyrights don't protect brands, right? Copyrights, you cannot use copyright to protect a name of a product or a name of a service or a name of a company. That's why trademarks were invented. That's why the only way to protect the name of a brand really is through trademarks. Copyright can protect logos, but you know, if you're a musician, you can't use a logo in your music, so it's sort of not relevant. Now, let's go back to what is a trademark infringement. Trademark infringement is not simply using or saying or singing a certain word, a phrase, or something like that. A trademark infringement only happens when somebody uses, and I'm putting uses in quotation marks, and I'll explain that in a second why. So when somebody uses a brand, a trademark brand, in connection with the same or similar products or services for which the brand was trademarked. So here's what it means. So use has very specific meaning in trademark law, and that means placing the brand on a product, or the packaging of the product, or the invoices, or something that accompanies the sale of the product, or placing the brand somewhere where you're either rendering the service or advertising the service. So anything beyond that is not trademark infringement. So simply saying a word that's a trademark does not infringe anybody's trademark. So I can say Nike, I can say McDonald's, I can say Just Do It, I can say whatever brand I want to say in a conversation like this, in a video like this, and it would not be infringing anybody's trademark. It only becomes a trademark infringement if I do that while I'm trying to sell or offer to the market, not necessarily for money, but offer to the market a product or a service that's directly linked or related to the goods and services for which somebody had trademarked their brand. So if I want to write a song about a certain brand, I can do that. It would not be a trademark infringement. Could there be other ways for them to go after me? Maybe. If I'm defaming their brand, if I'm diluting their brand, if I'm saying some bad things about their brand, maybe. But it's not just the actual mentioning of it that would get me in trouble, and certainly it wouldn't get me in trouble through the mechanism of trademark infringement, because this, as I said, isn't. I hope this answers your question. If it does, great. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you got a question for me that you want to ask that I haven't answered before, make sure you post a comment below, and we'll take it from there. And until then, I will see you in the next video.